G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the link and we're happy to help you out.
Okay, I've just crawled in underneath from the front here on this tile to underneath this clip lock roof, and you can see the water damage on the bottom of this sarking everywhere here. The sarking's just perishing on the bottom where water's been sitting on the other side. So that ridge capping's obviously leaking and water's running down that sarking all the time. And so it'd be a bad idea to cut through that sarking and make a mess of it. But the roof really should be repaired because it's not been put in properly in the first place. But anyway,